Good. Good. And what city from France are you from? What city?
Paris.
Paris?
Yes.
You live in Paris?
Yes.
Do you really?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, that's a city. So that Paris is like New York City, no? Or is it different or small?
Different, small.
Ah,
Very
okay.
small.
Okay, so let me have this arm. We come here. Okay, and you relax. And I do a little massage here. Just like this. If it's too strong, Sophie, you tell me, okay? All right? Good. And so you like New York City?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very pretty? Not too pretty?
Trade center is too.
Too many people?
Yes.
Yeah, very, very. Yeah, many people. Many people. Okay, here. Very busy. Very, very busy. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, very busy. Okay, is this too strong or is this okay?
It's okay.
Good, good, good. Just like that. Okay, bring your arm down. You come here, just like this. Okay. And move straight. Good. Okay, I start with this first. Let me take this side. Come here. Good. You go here. Very good. Okay, this goes down. And we go to the side like this to stretch. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Okay, look straight. Good, very good. First, I use this, Sophie, to make loose. Go like this. Very soft. Okay, no pain. All right.
Okay.
Again, and again, and again. Okay, look straight. We come this way. Same thing. Here. And again. And again. And look straight. Good. Let me take this arm. We stretch the muscle. Stretch the arm like this. Okay. Open. Stretch. Good. We come here. The other side, please. Here. Good. Just same thing here. Good. Come back here. Okay. And now I take this. And now you relax. Easy, easy. And just relax here. Okay. Come back down this side. Come here. Same thing. Just relax. Easy. No, easy. Relax. Right there. Good. Good. There you go. Take this arm and just easy, nice and relax. Good. Your wrist. Good. And then here. Good. Same thing here. Good. Okay, so we put this leg here, we sit down this way. So we sit this way, so, okay. So this, now we do a little twist. So put this hand here, and this one here, okay? And we twist a little, like that. Okay, so breathe in, in, breathe in, and out, out. Good, 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 good. Okay, and now this goes like this, hold on, like this. We come this way. Breathe in again, and out. Good. Okay, and relax. Hands down, relax easy. Okay. And so now slowly we go like this, we cross, and this here. Okay, and this time Sophie, we go back.
Yes.
Okay? Head here. And I'll use my hand. Okay. Sophie, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, and out. Breathe out. And come back like this, relax. Here we go, very good, very good. Relax your hands, good. Very good. Yes.
I know.
Yeah, come sit up, sit here, please. Stand here. Okay, and so now, Sophie, we lay down, head here,
Yes.
on the side, facing this way. Okay, lay
Okay.
down on your side like
Okay.
Like
Okay.
this.
Okay.
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 Okay. Very good. Rest your head and we turn a little bit like this, just like that. Perfect. Good. And this we bend. Good. Come a little closer. Good. And relax. Easy. Nice and easy. Good. This comes here. Just relax easy. A little more. Good. Relax. A little more and breathe out. Hold on. You come here and relax. Good. Okay. Let's go on this side. We go on this. Okay, we turn a little. Very good. We bend this. And this. Hold on, Sophie. Wait. Like this. A little closer. Good. You won't fall. You're okay. You're okay. Right. So this comes here. That's tight. Oh, hold on. Wait. Like that, Sophie. Sophie, breathe in, and breathe out. That's it. A little more. Let it go. Okay. Okay. Come on your back. Face up. Okay. Hands here, like this. Hands here. Good. Okay. Bend this leg here, and this here. And now, Sophie, we squeeze. 1, 2, 3, squeeze. Good. And separate out, go out. Perfect. And relax. Very good. Okay, now we make a circle. Big circle. Okay, come down, and I stretch. In here. Good. Okay, and relax. No tight. We stretch here. Good stretch. You okay?
Yes.
Good. Okay, and we come here, and we stretch here. Very good. Come back. Ankles. And relax the foot. A little more. Good. That's good. And relax. Good. Here. Okay. And relax here. Neck. Good. Stretch. Like this. Very good. Good stretch. Okay, we come back here. This goes here. Stretch more. Yes. Good stretch, Sophie. Come back. Okay. Make a circle. A little pain? No? It's okay?
It's okay.
It's okay? Good.
It's okay.
This comes down and relax easy. Very good. Come back here. And just relax easy. Good. No. Okay. And just good. Like that. Good. From walking.
Yes.
Walking, right? A lot of walking. How many kilometers? 20 kilometers, 10 kilometers?
No, 13?
13 kilometers?
Yes.
It's a lot of walking.
Yes.
It's a lot of walking. Okay, let me have this. And we're going to stretch. Just stretch here. Stretch the back muscle. Right, like this. Like this. Like this. And again. One more time. Good. Good. To the other side. So like this, easy. Good stretch in the arm. One more. Very good. Come here. Okay. So if we come a little closer, right here. Very good. And relax, easy. Not too much. Good. Okay. Good. And now you just breathe nice and relaxed, okay? No, relax, easy. Good. Good, and just relax easy, Sophie. Good, and just stretch nice and easy. Yeah, no. Good, just relax. Good. And back here. Good. Good, one more right there. Just relax, easy. Good. Oh, this is tight. A little more. A little more. Good, right there. So if you breathe in, and breathe out. Good. Good. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, let me help you up. 1, 2, 3. Legs here. We do a little more massage. A little more. Just a little bit. From here. Okay, and from here. Okay, complete,
Oh,
complete.
okay. Very, very good.
Very complete, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yes, my pleasure.